So these are the crystal clear called Anker Liberty Air, a wireless headset that is kind of competition with the Apple Airpod, much cheaper. And let's see what I got. By the way, these are refurbished, they are not brand new. Okay, so anyway, it looks like new, as you can see. So I've got the headset and 3 pairs replacement for the ear cup, and then probably a cable, yes, charging cable from Anker, and that's all. So let's see beside the box how it looks like. So I will zoom in a little, so we'll be able to see it better. Okay. Okay. So it looks brand new. 2 LEDs. Probably it is about 2/3 recharged. Looks really brand new. Don't know about the pairing, how I should pair them, but let's try to do it. So I will use my iPhone for this, and I will try to find the Bluetooth. Let's maybe insert them and open the box again. Ah, it found it. Soundcore Liberty Air. Now pairing them. Okay, I have the iPhone here on the side. Make sure are turned on. How I should turn them on, I have no idea. Maybe to take one of them out of the box. Interesting, because I don't have any button here. Anyway, I don't find any button here. Okay, I need to read the manual to understand why they are not pairing. Ah, maybe to press. Ah, they are connected. Okay, so it is now connected. Now let's hear the quality. So I will put music. I have music that I already put on this iPhone. So let's go to music. I will try another song. By the way, it sounds pretty good. The bass are a little lower than the Airpod, but overall it sounds very clear. have to admit that the sound is awesome. Very good quality sound. By the way, it's pretty amazing. And okay, when I'm touching, it stopped. This is very nice. It's also supporting some of the commands. Double tap is doing the Siri. I'm pretty amazed. One long press, starting the song from the beginning. Two press. It is the Siri. Okay, pretty good. I'm pretty impressed from the sound quality. The bass is a little lower than the Airpod, which I have them. But overall, for the price that I got them, about 20 bucks, it's more than the best. Maybe buying this year at the starting of 2020. You can see that they are not brand new by the box. It has some scratches, but the sound quality is great. Just great and pretty amazing. The cable is a regular Anker charging cable. This is the micro USB. This is not the USB-C type, but it's good enough. Pretty impressive for the price and the qualities that you get. And that's all. So thank you and bye.